Imagine waking up one day and your country's president is an AI. No emotions, no scandals, just logic. Sounds crazy? It's already happening behind the scenes. USA uses AI for public services. England has AI city plans. China, AI-driven citizen scoring systems. AI is managing cities. What's stopping it from running nations? No ego, no bribes, no burnout. An AI president might actually be more efficient. It could make decisions based on data, not emotions. But what about empathy, human rights, morality? An AI president might sacrifice lives for statistics. And who programs the AI? The bias isn't erased, it's coded in. Elon Musk, Sam Altman, and top AI scientists warn we're moving too fast. If we let AI lead without rules, the system could go rogue. But with smart limits, the future might not be an AI president, but an AI advisor, helping humans lead with logic and data. That combo? Unstoppable. Would you vote for an AI president? Comment below. Hit like if you think tech should help, not replace, humans. And subscribe for the future.